These documents, which are frequently accompanied with a bill of exchange, from the documents of title, full stop. If an advance against shipment is required, the documents of title, including the consular invoice, are forwarded to the London office of the bank, full stop. The advice should be marked shipping documents enclosed, full stop. If a bill of exchange is sent through the bank for collection, any special instructions as to the proceeds should be given, semicolon. For instance, remit proceeds of bill to London, semicolon, or remit draft on Paris, full stop. Sometimes a charter party is employed, and for all these a captain's receipt for documents is given, full stop. A shipper prices may be and insurance may be free of general advantage or according to foreign general average, full stop. In all cases, risks must be approved by the underwriters or they will not be responsible for the damage which may occur, full stop. In making a claim, the nature and cause of damage must be given, and there may be a case of total loss or constructive total loss, full stop. If salvage is necessary, the ship, freight and cargo must each pay its own share of the salvage charges, full stop. Consignees may be returned to to by post with shipping documents enclosed full stop close.